Hey everybody, it's Saturday, June 4th, 2022, and today is Canada's first National Range Day. I'm off to one of my local gun clubs where there's a very large event. There's going to be multiple manufacturers, vendors, food. We've invited out the public to come try shooting. It's going to be an awesome event. We'll see you there. Hey everyone, we're here at Silverdale Gun Club in St. Anne's, Ontario for National Range Day 2022. Let's go see this great event.
It's crazy.
Here we go.
It's not even just that. Apparently 50.
Yeah, it is. So, in addition to that, we're also I'm glad I got it. Yeah, I wasn't watching too many movies. You get the wrong idea.
When you get deep, close your gun.
You will like it.
How's it going? Enjoying the event? Perfect.
See if you can hit some of those sticks on the bottom. Much more time. Last place. Embankment. So why'd they stop? All right.
Is it this?
There weren't a lot of people there. Loaded magazine, bullet force. Like that, pull back, let go. Guns ready to fire. A nice tight grip with your left hand or right hand. Palm together, stack the cover just like that, okay? Nothing back here. When you pull that trigger, slide's going to come back, go forward, come back, go forward. If you're back here, it's going to bite you.
Wow, pretty big event here at Silverdale Gun Club on National Range Day 2022. Several hundred people out here, pretty incredible. Let's keep looking.
Yeah, this thing was way better than those tactical shotguns.
Guys, this beats walking any day.
The other ones should kill us.
You'll have evidence.
Awesome, thanks for the ride.
Not a problem.
Well, and there you have it, guys. A quick overview of National Range Day 2022 here at Silverdale Gun Club, St. Anne's, Ontario. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you next time.